Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have learned about MS Paint. What is MS Paint? MS Paint is an application software. It is used to draw and color the images. Last class we have also discussed about some tools in MS Paint. What are the tools? One is line tool. It is used to draw straight line or slanting line. Another one is curve tool. The curve tool is used to draw cut. Another one is brush tool. Brush tool is used to paint the drawing images. Okay. These have been learned in last class. Today we are going to learn some other new tools in MS Paint. Okay, let us start the class. MS Paint is an application software. It is used to draw and color the images. Okay, how we open MS Paint? First goes start button, then programs, then accessories, then MS Paint. Okay, start, all programs, accessories, MS Paint. Okay, this is MS Paint window. This window consists of three main components. One is tools, then colors and drawing area. Last class we have learned some tools in MS Paint. First one is line tool. The line tool is used to draw the line. Next one is curve tool. The curve tool is used to draw the curve. Then next one is brush tool. The brush tool is used to give the color for paintings. Okay, we can choose different brushes from drop down options. Okay, these have been discussed in last class. Okay, today we are going to learn about how we open a new canvas, how we save the document, how we open and already saved file. Okay, how we open a new window? First go here, file option, file, then new, then save or don't save the document. So we get the new canvas. Okay, how we open a new canvas? First file, then new. Okay, we get new canvas. Okay, how we open a new canvas? File, new. Okay, we get the new canvas. Okay, then if we draw a line here. Okay, here I draw a shape, and this is color by using the brush tool. Select the color from color plate. Okay, then give the color for this image. Okay, then I am going to save this document. How save this document? Goes file, then save as, then select the location. Here I select desktop, then give the name for file. Here I give the name as image. Okay, then save. Okay, how we save the document? First goes file, then save as, select the location, then give the name, then save. Okay, all of you understand how we save the document? File, save as, select the location, then give the name, then save. How we open a new canvas? First file, then new, we get the new canvas. Okay, how we open an already saved document? First go file, then open, then choose a file. choose the file. Then open. Okay, all of you understand how we open a already saved image? File, open, then select the image, then open. Okay, all of you understand how we open a new drawing canvas? File, new. How we save a document? File, save as, give the name, then save. How we open an already saved document? File, open. Okay, all of you understand? In this class, we have learned about how we save a document, how we open a new page, and how we open an already saved document. Okay. How we close the window? Look here, the top right corner, a cross symbol. We can close the window by using the close button at the top right corner. Okay, all of you understand how we close the window? Otherwise, we can close the window by using file close. Okay, all of you understand? We can close by using file close. File exit. Okay, how we close the document? File exit or use the close button at the top right corner. Okay, all of you understand this. What is MS Paint? The MS Paint is an application software. It is used to draw and color the images. How we start MS Paint? Start, all programs, accessories, MS Paint. Okay, what are the main components in MS Paint? Tools, colors, and drawing canvas. Okay, what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw the line. What is the use of curve tool? The curve tool is used to draw the curve. What is the use of brush tool? Brush tool is used to give color for the images. And how we open a new page? File, new. How we save a document? File, save as, give the name, then save. And how we open an already saved document? File, open. Okay, I think that you all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.